Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find analyze which animal you look like filter on Instagram. So this filter is now on my highlight and this is the filter. When you record a video, it will analyze and will show you a picture of animal. It's just random and it's popular filter now. To get this filter, you can go to the creator profile. The creator is Daniel. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. So this is the filter. Tap on try to try the filter. To use this filter, you just have to record a video. And okay, I can't record the screen because I am recording the screen. So this is it guys. Likewise, you can find this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.